Welcome to 2022. And no, it's not 2020 part 2, as most of you are alluding. Specifically in the tech world, a lot of things froze in that year that we shall not mention again. But things are coming back to life. So as if playing catch up, 2022 is seeing devices coming out fast and furious, and not just globally, but in the Kenyan market. Especially in the mid-range segment, some pretty cool devices have been launched. And joining the list is the Vivo V23 5G. I know, every phone has a 5G tag after it now. Well, it is very important to separate yourself from the pack, especially with the conveniences expected that 5G is meant to come with. By itself, the Vivo V23 5G poses a significant upgrade to the V series and is bound to impress both from the inside and the outside, quite literally. But is Vivo's latest mid-range smartphone worth the buying price? From TechWiz, I'm Martin Gethinji with the Vivo V23 5G unboxing and first impressions review. Let's tech it and go. All that glitters is this box. Ooh, would you look at that? On the inside, you get the phone in a plastic wrapping, a user guide, a clear flexible silicone case, 3.5mm jack earphones, Type-C to Type-A charging cable, a 44-watt charging brick, SIM ejector tool, and as a pleasant surprise to me, a Type-C to 3.5mm dongle. The device comes in two color variants, Sunshine Gold and Stardust Black. These bugs are literally night and day, with the gold changing color to a blue hue once exposed to UV light, aka the sun, and the black reflecting shimmers of light, like the star, like the night with stars, like this night starry, like a starry night. The soft velvety back panel with a matte finish is very comfortable to hold and virtually fingerprint resistant. The ultra slim aluminum or aluminium frame and the rounded corners provide a comfortable grip. It is incredibly light, especially considering that it has glass surfaces. The physical volume and power buttons on the right side have a tactile feel to them, and on the bottom there is a speaker grill, a USB Type-C charging port, and a SIM card slot. Coming to the front is a 6.4mm AMOLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The 90Hz refresh rate makes the user experience smooth, fast, and responsive, especially as the screen looks good with vibrant colors, good viewing angles, and deep blacks. Watching videos, browsing images, and playing games is going to be a pleasure. It gets quite bright outdoors and very contrasty. There are no problems with readability when you're out and about. The bottom-facing speaker gets pretty loud too and will serve your multimedia needs very well. Going under the hood, you'll find the MediaTek Dimensity 920 processor coupled with Mali G68 GPU and 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. You're also getting dual 5G support as this phone is 5G powered. We'll be testing that out in the coming days, but a point to note, the jury is still out on 5G functionality on most of the devices that have already been released that support it. So stay tuned for our full review once all areas are covered. The Vivo V23 5G runs on FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 12. Besides Android 12 features, FunTouch OS 12 ships with a new UI design and a refreshing look and feel that offers a clean visual experience plus small widgets that fit more on the home screen. There's a nano music player that sits on the home screen and offers quick access to your local or Spotify playlist. It's easy and quite useful. We have support for extendable RAM, which lets you expand RAM up to 4GB by using some part of the storage to extend RAM virtually. Another handy feature is the Ultra Game Mode that automatically manages CPU and GPU, RAM, and network performance while also optimizing the touch response. In addition, the feature automatically adjusts the performance based on the temperature of the device. The Game Assistant feature allows you to toggle notifications for incoming calls on or off too. Under heavy use, there is practically no throttling or hesitation, so it's going to be a pleasure to use the Vivo V23 5G. Multitasking will be a breeze as the processor and the RAM combo is quite sufficient and some more. Doing your usual tasks during the day will be pretty smooth whether you're a heavy user or mixed user or light user. And this includes streaming music, replying to emails, binge watching your favorite TV shows or series, browsing the web, scrolling your social media feeds, and gaming. Speaking of gaming, I got to try out light and graphic intense games ranging from Alto's Odyssey, Ninja Arashi, Asphalt to PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Call of Duty Mobile. Most of these games ran with maximum graphic settings and high frame rates. Keeping the lights on, the Vivo V23 5G is a 4200 mAh battery that supports up to 44 watt fast charging. You can go from 1 to 62% in 31 minutes, and at 100%, it can give you 7 to 8 hours of regular use. With all that said, this is what you're waiting for most, the cameras, right? On the cameras, we have a 64 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra wide with 120-degree field of view, and a 2 megapixels macro sensor, plus 2 dual front-facing cameras that include a 50 megapixels wide and 8 megapixels ultra wide housed in the notch for the selfie camera. What a collection of lenses! And beyond that, we have 2 dual-tone LED lights in what Vivo calls dual-tone spotlight flash for low-light selfies, and 1 LED flashlight at the back. Modes to play around with include double exposure, pro, high-res, time-lapse, slow-mo, dual view, and live photo. Here are some sample photos. So far, pictures come out with really good detail and color saturation. Indoor shots are decent too. Not only in good light, shots taken in low light turn out pretty well. It is amazing how far smartphone cameras have come, and Vivo continues to push its camera-centric V lineup. Photos come out with little noise, and there is a decent amount of detail and color. On video, the Vivo V23 supports up to 4K 30 FPS video recording for both the selfie camera and the main camera. And that's pretty cool, especially for vlogging. You can also shoot 1080p at 60 FPS and 720p as well. Our full camera performance assessment will be linked below once we have enough time with this device. Vivo has been at the helm in terms of industry-leading camera performance, and the Vivo V23 5G encompasses that and more. You also get style and performance that you should expect from a mid-ranger. Vivo V23 5G offers a premium, elegant design, stunning AMOLED display, an excellent set of cameras fit for social media posting, top-notch software, a powerful chipset that won't make you feel like you're sacrificing any processing power for everyday tasks, reasonable battery life, and fast charging. For retail price and availability details, please check in the link in the description box down below. Till the next one, we done tech it. Now you go.